Now Gibbs DM equation. This is the important relation. For deriving this, consider for a system G, that is free energy, is the function of temperature, pressure and number of moles of constants N1, N2, N3 and so on. Okay, whatever the free energy of the system is the function of composition as well as pressure and temperature. आणि composition साठी आपण काय सांगितलं, N1, N2, N3 and so on are the number of moles of constant present in that system. Now the complete differentiation is given as dg is equal to dg by dt कधी at constant pressure N1, N2, N3 and so on into dt plus dg by dp at constant temperature N1, N2, N3 and so on into dp plus dg by dn1 at constant temperature, pressure N2, N3 and so on into dn1 plus dg by dn2 kadi at constant temperature, pressure N1, N3 and so on into dn2 and so on. It is a complete differentiation. But we know that the factor dg by dn1 at constant temperature, pressure N2 and so on is nothing but its partial molar free energy of component 1. It is the partial molar free energy of the component 1, and this partial molar free energy is nothing but chemical potential of component 1. Similarly, we can write for dg by dn2 at constant temperature, pressure N1, N3 and so on is the partial molar free energy of component 2 or chemical potential of component 2. Suppose this is equation number 1. Now if we place the values for these quantities, that is partial molar free energy च्या ऐवजी आपण जर chemical potential of component 1, component 2 या इक्वेशन मध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट केलं तर इक्वेशन कसं येईल पहा, dg is equal to dg by dt at constant pressure N1, N2 into dt and plus dg by dp at constant temperature N1, N2 and so on into dp plus आता dg by dn1 म्हणजेच काय सांगितलं आपण मगाशीच, it is nothing but chemical potential of component 1 into dn1 plus mu2 into यासाठी काय येणार आहे mu2 chemical potential of component 2 into dn2 so on. Equation number 2. Now if at constant temperature dt is equal to 0, again at constant pressure dp is equal to 0 असं असेल तर काय येईल पहा, at constant temperature and constant pressure dt आणि dp 0 असेल तर इक्वेशन कसं मिळेल आपल्याला, dg is equal to mu1 dn1 plus mu2 dn2 plus dash dash and so on. Suppose this is equation number 3. Now integrating this equation, g is equal to mu1 n1 plus mu2 n2 plus dash dash, and on complete differentiation of this equation we have dg is equal to mu1 dn1 plus n1 d mu1 plus mu2 dn2 plus n2 d mu2 plus so on. Suppose this is equation number 4. Now comparing equation 3 and equation 4, we can write mu1 d1 आहे n1 d mu1 plus n2 d mu2 by comparing equation 3 and equation 4 we can write all this equal to 0. n1 d mu1 plus n2 d mu2 plus n3 d mu3 and so on is equal to 0, equation number 5. Or for this we can write summation of ni d mu I plus summation of ni d mu I is equal to 0, equation number 6. So this equation number 5 and equation number 6 are called as the Gibbs-Duhem equation. For binary mixtures, the Gibbs-Duhem equation becomes n1 d mu1 plus n2 d mu2 is equal to 0. This is the Gibbs-Duhem equation in case of binary mixture. Binary mixture means having two components 1 and 2. So rearranging this equation we can write d mu1 is equal to ही टर्म इक्वल साइनच्या या बाजूला घेतले तर मायनस होईल n2 बाय n1 हे परत तिकडे घेतलं डिवाइड झालं इनटू d mu2. From this equation we say that chemical potential of one component, change in chemical potential of one component affects the value of change in chemical potential of another components. म्हणजेच बायनरी मिक्सचर मधले जे दोन्ही कॉम्पोनंट आहेत त्यांचे जे केमिकल पोटेन्शियल आहेत ते कसे आहेत एकमेकावर डिपेंड आहेत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इफ द केमिकल पोटेन्शियल ऑफ वन कॉम्पोनंट जो चेंज आहे तो पॉझिटिव्ह आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इथं जी mu1 ची व्हॅल्यू आहे ती कशी आहे पॉझिटिव्ह आहे. दॅट मीन्स केमिकल पोटेन्शियल ऑफ कॉम्पोनंट 1 इन्क्रीजेस असं असेल तर चेंज इन केमिकल पोटेन्शियल ऑफ अदर कॉम्पोनंट इज निगेटिव्ह. दॅट मीन्स mu2 निगेटिव्ह आहे म्हणजेच mu2 काय होतोय डिक्रीज होतोय. and vice versa. Relation कसं सांगतो आपण इथं change in chemical potential of one component if it is positive then the other components जे chemical potential आहे ते काय negative आहे. That means mu1 positive mu2 negative. That means mu1 increases mu2 decreases and vice versa. This is the dependence of chemical potential in the solution for two component system. Okay.